So this is a message to my ancestors. Please let me prosper in my chapati cooking career. Please let your boy prosper like this, you know. So it's a bit hard. A bit. Hello, my name is Venji and welcome to my channel. Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. My name is Venji K. I do lifestyle and travel videos, but today we'll be cooking. This is my second cooking video and I'm pretty excited. So I did my first cooking video where I cooked ugali, fufu, pap, whatever you call it. I'm gonna leave a link here, and that video went places. Miss Trudy, the famous Miss Trudy, featured my video on our African YouTubers you need to watch out for. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, you need to, because I'm the guy. I'm the YouTuber. I'm the next big thing in the continent and beyond. So please, please, please. Today I'll be teaching you guys how to cook chapati. So this is a typical Tanzanian breakfast. I mean, there are many things that we have breakfast with in Tanzania, but this is like the main thing. I mean, if you're Tanzanian, abroad or at home, you've had chapati so many times, and I'm sure it's your favorite. So, that meaning, today, I'm gonna take you through having the experience of cooking from home a typical Tanzanian breakfast, which I'll be giving you guidelines, ingredients, process, and everything. So let's cook chapati. You need all-purpose flour. You need your salt of your choice. You need sugar of your choice. You need a wrap. I'm gonna explain everything. Need cooking oil, but need to be warm. You need warm water as well. But guys, the most important of all, you need this. This shows how much I'm dedicated. First of all, this thing flew out from Tanzania to South Africa like a whole, I mean, this is dedication. I've been cooking chapati for a long time, but they still don't come out right. So this is a message to my ancestors. Please let me prosper in my chapati cooking career. Please let your boy prosper. So this is a very important thing to have, but I'm not sure what you call it in your country, but in Swahili we call it kibao cha kusukumia chapati. So basically just a board to roll on the chapati, but you could use different options that I'm going to show you as we go. So let's dive in to the cooking with Jovenji. So the first thing you're gonna do, you're gonna put some flour, depending on how many people are gonna be eating the chapati. Then we're gonna put salt. Then we're gonna add 2 spoons of sugar, and then we're gonna mix our mixture so that the salt and the sugar can, you know, mix. I mean, isn't that the point of a mixture? Then we're gonna add in some oil. Remember, it needs to be warm oil. We're gonna add some water. So this here is the most difficult part of the process. I'm telling you this because you need to make sure it doesn't stick like this, you know. So in order to know that your flour is ready, it doesn't have to stick into your hand. So it's a long process. So let's have some music to go with this. We're getting there, guys. We're getting there. Hey. Hey. It's pretty much evident how much I don't know how to dance, but we're here to cook. So as you can see, this is how it looks. You call it a dough or a pastry, I don't know. And as I said, how to know you're doing great is your hands are not sticky. So my hands are not sticky. So let's go to the next step. So you can add a bit of oil so that you can make it more smooth. This is how you do it for people that don't know how to mix it together. So the next step is you get a wrap or a piece of cloth if you have, and just we cover it so that it can become softer. And we give it a rest for a few minutes. Waiting for it to marinate. I just wanted to let you know that you can like this video, you can subscribe to my channel, and also share this video to other African and non-African people. I mean, let's share it to the world. But also you can get chapati in different African countries. You can get it in Kenya, you can get it in Uganda. Uganda, they call them Rolex. It's amazing. It's like a top-notch type of chapati. But you can also get it in other different countries, I think. So please let me know if you have chapati in your country or you eat chapati, and what do you have it with. Because for me, I'm going to tell you the best combo that slaps is beans coconut curry or lentils coconut curry with chapati and milk, spicy tea, chai tea. I mean, that combo slaps. Spicy chai tea, beans, coconut curry and chapati. I mean, please let me know in the comment section if you know a combo that slaps than this, because let's argue, because I'm gonna put so now it has marinated. We're gonna cut small rounds. So this special thing is now gonna be used, because now we're gonna be transforming this small balls into like this round shape, and then to be something flat. Then we're gonna add oil into it. Then after that we're gonna put them, I mean, let me just show you the process is better. But if you do not have this, the other thing you could use, you could just basically just use a flat surface like this. So this one comes with this but you could use any other thing. Preferably you could use something like you could use a bottle like this and just do the same work. Anything that works for you.
I'm not trying to hurt you, but I will if I have to. I'ma tell you what I do. Run away. Baby, I'm a fighter, never backing down. Baby, I'm a soldier, standing my ground. So if you're gonna find me for my heart, all you gonna get is battle scars. Baby, I'm a tiger, 20 steps ahead. Baby, I'm a viper, one bite to dead. So if you're gonna find me for my heart, all you gonna get is battle scars.
So you can now take your chapati from here and you put it on your pan. So we have cooked already, and our chapatis are ready as far as I'm concerned. So this is how, I mean, it differs depending how much or how long you cook it for. So yeah, so we're gonna try one. A bit hard. A bit. They're supposed to be softer, but it's a bit hard. But I think overall, I did great. Did you hear that? This is a total. They taste good. They could have been softer. You can make them softer, but I'm also gonna link other recipes that I think you can follow for better chapatis. Look in the link in the description box. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know if you've had chapatis before. You could have them with stew, as I said earlier. You could have them with tea. I'm having milk tea now. And please subscribe.